Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix mobile data network problem in Samsung A36 or the A56. If you are having an issue in your mobile data network and now you want to fix that, so let's see how can I do this. First of all, you have to make sure that you have inserted SIM properly in your phone, and after that you just have to open settings, and here just check for some settings. First of all, just tap on connections, and here just look for mobile networks, and here you must have to enable VoLTE calls. You must have to enable that, and here you just tap on network mode, and here you must have to select LTE preferred. Just select that for your both of your sims, and here you just have to go back, and here just go back again and look for general management. Here's that, just tap on it, and here just look for resets, and then tap on reset mobile network settings. Here you must have to tap on reset settings and then tap on reset again. It will make a reset to your mobile network setting. Just tap on it. You can see network settings has been resetted. So after doing that, you just have to restart your phone. So let's see how. Just scroll down your control center, and here you will get the power icon. Just tap on it, then select restart from here, and then tap on it again to restart your phone. It will reset all of your mobile network data setting. So after that you can use your mobile data properly. But if you're still having an issue, so you have to make sure that your system hardware is correctly, so you must have to check for that. So that's how you can easily fix your mobile network settings. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.